In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Edge from opening automatically. Let's walk through a few simple checks and settings you can adjust so Edge only opens when you actually want it to. I'll explain what each option does along the way, so you understand why you're changing it. First, let's look at Startup Apps. When Windows turns on, it can automatically start certain programs in the background, and Edge might be one of them. On your computer, open the Start menu and search for Startup Apps or Startup Apps Settings. Open that and you'll see a list of programs that are allowed to launch when your computer starts. Scroll through the list and look for Microsoft Edge. If the switch next to it is turned on, go ahead and turn it off. This won't uninstall Edge. It just prevents it from launching by itself when Windows boots up. Next, we'll check the system startup settings in the Task Manager. Right-click on an empty area of your taskbar and choose Task Manager. If you see a simplified view, click More Details at the bottom. Now, go to the Startup tab at the top. This tab shows everything that can run as soon as Windows starts. Find Microsoft Edge in the list. If its status is enabled, right-click it and choose Disable. This makes sure Edge won't automatically start in the background, which can sometimes cause it to pop up unexpectedly. Now let's adjust a key setting inside Edge itself, especially if it's reopening old tabs when you log in. Open Microsoft Edge manually. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. On the left side, look for the section called Start, Home, and New tabs, or something similar, depending on your version. Under the When Edge Starts section, you'll see a few options, such as opening a new tab page, opening a specific set of pages, or continuing where you left off. If Edge keeps reopening old sessions or specific sites automatically, change this to either Open the new tab page or Open these pages and clear out anything you don't want. This way, even if Edge does open, it won't resume a previous session you weren't expecting. Finally, after making these changes, restart your computer to test them. When your system comes back on, Edge should no longer open on its own. If it stays closed unless you open it yourself, you've successfully stopped Microsoft Edge from launching automatically.